Hey guys, this is going to be a really short video today, but it's just about learning what the Pythagorean Theorem is. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So, the Pythagorean Theorem deals with right triangles, and it's when you're trying to find out what one of those side lengths are if they give you the other two. Right, so it's very important to know a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because that is the Pythagorean Theorem. And it's just so that you know. It's just how you really figure out what that other side length is, right? So A, in this case, I like to think of A as the shortest length, right? And then B is the middle length, and C is the hypotenuse. So let's break this down to the practice problem because it's easiest to see it in that form, right? So let's go here. So in this case, my shortest side length is going to be over here, it's A. The middle length is B, and the hypotenuse is C. So let's say we're going to solve for, in this case, we're going to solve for C, right? And it says that A is 5, and let's see, say B, let's actually go, say A is 3, B is 4, and you're trying to figure out what C is, right? So you just do 3 squared, because 3 is A in this case, so 3 squared is 9. And then you do B squared, B in this case is 4, so 4 squared equals 16. Equals whatever C squared is, right? So 9 plus 16 is going to be 25. And it's going to be C squared equals 25. And you know that C would then have to equal 5. And don't worry, you can always plug this in to your calculator. I know I did that pretty quickly, but always plug it into your calculator if you can't figure it out this fast. But that's basically how you do it. That's how you do Pythagorean Theorem. You use the other two sides that they give you to find that third side, right? So we can even do this backwards. So if they somehow give you they give you the hypotenuse. Let's say they gave you the hypotenuse, and they gave you 5, and they gave you the A value as well. And you're saying, okay, how do I solve for B? You can use the same formula right here. Alright, so let's start backwards this time, since they give you the hypotenuse. So you know that it's C squared. So C squared would equal 25, because C in this case is 5. So just go over here, so it's 25. And then equals, so it equals B squared plus A squared. Alright, so let's write B squared plus, and then we know that A squared is going to be 9 just because it's 3 squared, right? Alright, so then to solve for what B squared is, just get the B squared alone first. So 25 minus 9 equals 16 squared. And from there you can figure out that B has to equal 4. Right? Because you find the square root of 16, and that's 4. Alright, so a little recap on the Pythagorean Theorem. It's just A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is that shortest leg of the triangle, B is the middle leg, and C is the hypotenuse. You can solve for really any side length of those if they give you the other two. And one key reminder, this is only used for right triangles. You cannot use it for just any kind of triangle. It has to be right triangles. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions on this, and thank you for watching.